Hello, I'm Jessica.
Hi everyone, I'm Wendy and welcome to our apartment 2236. Today we're making a vegan bento featuring tofu. First of all, prep your vegetables. Slice the crunchy cabbages into thin slices as thin as you can.
Also remember to soak the shiitake mushroom first if you're using the dry ones as we are. Otherwise, if you're using fresh ones, you can just
Use it as is. Then dehead the cucumber and slice them into thin slices and play with them like crystals. Well, also eat the ends, don't throw them away. Marinate it with a little bit of salt. Now time for tofu prep. For half of this tofu, we're making a teriyaki tofu. You want it to be drier for frying, so pat it dry with your favorite cookbook. The next half of tofu, we're making a tofu patty and using tofu as the base. Mince the tofu with a fork and add in the other ingredients, including carrots, shiitake mushrooms, and some green onions for taste and colors.
please try the mushroom.
Squirt, squirt. Tip number 1, do not use cornstarch. We used cornstarch and ended up with a very smushy texture, and later we tried using all-purpose flour and it tastes way better and it's a lot easier to form a patty and to flip. Season your patty with whatever seasoning you want.
So what we use is like sugar,
Salt, pepper. Now up to the teriyaki sauce. We're making a teriyaki sauce without honey. I diced 2 cloves of garlic, added some dark soy sauce for color and light soy sauce for the taste, and we also added sugar for the sweetness.
Alright, time for the stove.
First of all, use a non-stick pan. And form your patty into your ideal sizes. Cook each side for about 3 minutes till they're golden brown.
And then you gotta flip each and one of them.
Now to the teriyaki tofu. First of all, we're gonna fry the pre-dried tofu till it's slightly brown, and then add in the sauce.
Yeah, just save some sauce for the cabbage.
And for the cabbage, first of all, add oil and cook down the huge chunk of cabbage. Once they're slightly softened, you can add in some chili flakes and the rest of that teriyaki sauce. Now for the daikon. We bought pickled daikon from the supermarket and it tastes really sweet and crunchy. It's very nice to pair with the cucumbers. Time for assembly! I love the purple cabbage.
Yeah, it makes the color so much better. And we also used the sweet potato for our main card.
And we added some berries in the middle as dividers.
So we have a really pretty bento.
And the second half does not need to be reheated.
It's vegan, it's healthy, and hope you enjoy it. See you next time.
See you!
Bye!